Let's welcome to another session. Wireless communication networks, Unit 4, equalization diversity. And the topic is REC receiver. Topic is REC receiver. Here, when we are using this REC receiver used in diversity techniques, especially this REC receiver are used under the concept of CDMA spread spectrum systems. What do you mean CDMA? Code division multiple access. Before going to this code division multiple access technique, first we are to discuss about multiple access systems. What do you mean multiple access systems? Nothing but only single channel available between transmitter to receiver, but multiple users are there to use the same channel. A single channel is there, multiple users. At that time, we are going for the topic of multiple access schemes. That is frequency division multiplexing, time division multiplexing, code division multiplexing. What do you mean by frequency division multiplexing? We have to transmit a signal through a single channel for multiple users. We have to modulate multiple users with different carriers. For each user, one carrier can be used. After modulation takes place, we have to transmit all signal through a single channel. At that time, there is no problem. But we are going for time division multiplexing. Single channel, single carrier, multiple users. Based upon the time slots, user can be entered and transmit the signal. But in code division multiple access technique, the name itself shows code division. Nothing but we have to encrypt the data. How we can go for encrypt the data? By using a spreading codes. By using the spreading codes. Suppose user 1 can be encrypted by different format. User 2 can be encrypted by different format. At that time, we have to add a pseudonyze. Add the pseudonyze. By adding this pseudonyze, you have to check what is the chip rate. What is the chip rate? Right. That is the concept of CDMA. In this CDMA can be implemented. Technique is implemented by using this REC receiver. By using a REC receiver. See this one. This is the exact figure of the REC receiver. The input is R of T. What do you mean R of T here? Intermediate frequency are a baseband CDMA signal with multi-path. For multiple path signals are received, R of T can be go for the next stage correlators. For M signals, M correlators. Correlator 1, correlator 2, correlator M. After correlator can be checked. Check between two signals. We are getting output is Z1, Z2, Zm. Next, after this one, we have to check is there any phase change. That is alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha M. After all this one, all sum together. Finally, we will go for Z bar and we go for integrate from 0 to T. Then after integrate, we have to check whether the output is more than threshold value or less than the threshold value. Nothing but an M branch REC receiver implementation. Each correlator a time shifted version of the original CDMA transmission. Time shifted version of the original CDMA transmission, and each finger of the REC correlates to a portion of the signal which delayed, but at least one chip in a time from the other branches. Right? Nothing but a REC receiver having a multiple correlators which can be detect M strong multi-path signals and go for take the correlation takes place. After each correlator, the output should be a star, which one either it is strong or not. We have to check M1, M2 up to M. After go for summing can be takes place and integrate together, and finally we have to check the bit error rate. After this one, whether with the equal or not with the threshold value, and take the decision. After finally go for after the summing that is of output of this M correlators, we are using Z1, Z2 up to Zm, and weights are alpha 1, alpha 2 up to alpha M respectively. From this overall signal of this diversity is Z bar, which is equal to summation of M equal to M and alpha M Z. And from this alpha M, which is equal to Zm square by divided by summation M equal to 1 to M Zm square. This is about the concept of rake receiver can be works in a CDMA technology. Do you have any query? Type your query chat box. Thank you very much for attending this session.